Hello, good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with BECE 2018 Mathematics Past Question 27. Calculate the circumference of a circle whose radius is 3.5. A 22 centimeter, B 44 centimeter, C 49 centimeter, and D 66 centimeter. So we have to calculate the circumference of a circle with radius 3.5 cm. 3.5 cm. Now we have a circle like this. This is a circle, and then the radius of the circle is given to be what? 3.5. Now I have to find the circumference, this circumference of the circle. Now circumference of a circle is given as 2 pi r. That is 2 multiplied by pi multiplied by the radius of the circle, and pi is equal to 22 over 7, and r, which is our radius, is given to us as what? 3 whole number 1 over 2. Now let's convert this to an improper fraction. Remember, this is a mixed number, so to an improper fraction we have what? 3 times 2 all over 2 plus 1 all over 2, and this is equals to what? 2, 6 plus 1. That is 3 times 2 to give us 6, and what? Over plus 1. Remember, they have the same denominator, so r is equals to what? 7 all over 2. So 3.5 is equivalent to 7 over 2. Now let's come back to our calculation. Now the circumference is now equal to 2 multiplied by what? Our pi is what? 22 over 7 is a constant, then multiplied by r, which is what? 7 over 2. Now let's cancel this 7 here, we cancel this 7, and this 2 here, we cancel this 2. We are left with what? This 22 here. So therefore circumference of this circle is equal to 22 centimeter. Now from the options given here, option A corresponds to our answer, which is what? 22 centimeter. The rest are wrong. So our correct answer to this question is 22 cm. Remember, the formula is 2 pi r, and you can see how we apply the formula. Thank you very much, and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe to the channel for more videos.